Passing over the northern shore of Long Island. Should be touching down here in about 15 to 20 minutes for an on-time arrival. Just passing over the northern shore of Long Island. Should be touching down here in about 15 to 20 minutes for an on-time arrival. Get another 15-20 minutes of flight time to leave by the camp for arrival. Enjoyed having you on board this morning. Always appreciate your business and we'll fly with you again in the future. Current weather, light winds, a few scattered clouds, temperature is about 84 degrees.
Oh, 42, contact approach 120.6. 120.6, no 42. American 1821 out of 190 for 16,000. American 1820, roger. Any requirement for American 1821 on the speed? American 1821, yes, sir, reduce speed to 250, 250. Okay, American 1821, 250. Roger, I'll give that to you a little bit late. Once you reach 10, just reduce to 250. American 1821, roger. 7 is passing 12,000 for 15,000. Southwest 447, climb maintain level 230. Flight level 230, Southwest 447. American 1821, contact approach 120.6. American 1821, 20.6. TWA 602 is with the end of 244 for 240. TWA 60 is in the record. TWA 602, call 10,250 kilometers, 2996. 10,250 knots, 2996, TWA 602. Southwest 447, climb maintain level 290. 290, Southwest 447. TWA 602 is at 240. TWA 602, roger. TWA 602, turn right at 130, up the arrival. 135 and heading, and it's up the arrival, TWA 602.
We will be landing shortly. Please make certain that your seatbelt and shoulder harness, if applicable, is fastened. Seat backs are in the upright position and that aft-facing seats have the headrest installed. Card tables and loose equipment must be stowed. Used cups and trash must be placed in disposal containers. Drawers and cabinet doors must be closed and latched. Thank you for your cooperation. We hope you had a pleasant flight.
Just passing over the northern shore of Long Island. Should be touching down here in about 15 to 20 minutes for an on-time arrival. Just passing over the northern shore of Long Island. Should be touching down here in about 15 to 20 minutes for an on-time arrival. Get another 15, 20 minutes of flight attendants will be by the camp for arrival. Enjoyed having you on board this morning. I appreciate your business and will fly with you again in the future. Current weather, light winds, a few scattered clouds, temperature is about 84 degrees.
Oh, 42, contact approach 120.6. 120.6, no 42. American 1821 at a 190 for 16,000. American 1820, roger. Any requirement for American 1821 on the speed? American 1821, yes, sir, reduce speed to 250, 250. Okay, American 1821, 250. Roger, I'll give that to you a little bit late. Once you reach 10, just reduce to 250. American 1821, roger. 7 is passing 12,000 for 15,000. Southwest 447, climb maintain level 230. Flight level 230, Southwest 447. American 1821, contact approach 120.6. American 1821, 20.6. TW602 is for the end of 244 for 240. TW602, center radar. TWA602, call 10,259 kilometers, 2996. 10,250 knots, 2996, TWA602. Southwest 447, climb maintain level 290. 290, Southwest 447. TWA602 is at a 240. TWA602, roger. TWA602, turn right at 130, intercept the arrival. 135 and heading, and intercept the arrival, TW602.
We will be landing shortly. Please make certain that your seatbelt and shoulder harness, if applicable, is fastened. Seat backs are in the upright position, and that aft-facing seats have the headrest installed. Card tables and loose equipment must be stowed. Used cups and trash must be placed in disposal containers. Drawers and cabinet doors must be closed